Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Hope so. Everyone will be fine. Today we are going to start our book Inspiring Science, and the first unit is about the living and the non-living things. As you all know that we read in prep class that living things can breathe, can move and can grow. But non-living things cannot move, cannot grow and cannot breathe. Here is the first page of the unit, living and non-living things. First of all, you have to complete your warm-up activity, that is write the names of what you see in the coaches of the train. In the coaches of train, you can see that there is first a boy, and that can be a driver, a girl, a dog, a ball, a lion, and then at the end a kite. We see many living things around us. These living things can be divided into two groups, living and non-living things. Living things can be people, animals and plants, and non-living things, all other things that are around us, are the non-living things. As living things can breathe, if you practice it while reading, take long breaths and then inhale and exhale. It will be a good exercise. You can do this exercise on daily basis. Living things have young ones. Non-living things cannot reproduce and they don't have small babies. Just the living things can have small babies. Living things can feel if anybody touch you, or even we touch the plants, or we touch the animals. Everybody have the feelings, but the non-living things, they don't have any feelings. And the same way, here in this picture we can see the proper breeding of the plant, that is a very small seed. After that it grows and becomes a seedling and then an adult plant. An adult plant can also grow and become a tree. And the next page, it is about the non-living things. Some non-living things are man-made and some are natural non-living things. So you can see the pictures. Mountains and clouds are the non-living things. Moon and stars and water and stones. And these are the man-made non-living thing. That is a book, a toy train. And at the end of the page number 3, there is an activity for you, that you have to write two non-living things and two that you see at your home, and two non-living things that you can see at your class. So just for your help, I just give you examples. You can write any two other living things. For example, in the home, I just write a table and a chair. A table and a chair. These two living things I see in my home, and the non-living things that I see in the class, that is the book and a board. You can write any other if you want. Get it? You can write any other two things which you want or which you like. It is just for your help. And now these are the fill in the blanks. I will put some chits on it for the answer. Living things can dash from one place to another. The answer is the living things can move. Living things can move from one place to another. And the next one is the non-living things cannot grow. Toy is also a non-living thing in this way. Okay, so let's move on the second page. That is an activity for you that you have to color in this picture, and just color the living things you can see in this picture. You are not going to color the non-living thing, just color the living things. And after that, on the next page, there is exercise that is about the fill in the blanks. And it is good if you do it yourself.